Welcome back, MotoVision family. Today, we have something truly special, an in-depth look at the 2025 Lamborghini Urus Evo. This latest version of Lamborghini's super SUV brings even more power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you love speed, style, and unmatched performance, this is the SUV for you. Let's dive into everything that makes the 2025 Urus Evo a masterpiece on wheels. Starting with the front, the 2025 Urus Evo gets a refreshed and more aggressive design. Lamborghini has introduced sharper lines, a redesigned front grille, and larger air intakes for better aerodynamics. The sleek LED matrix headlights with Y-shaped DRLs give it a futuristic and bold stance. It's unmistakably a Lamborghini, pure power and presence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech and luxurious cabin. The front seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, offering top-tier comfort and sportiness. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with Lamborghini's signature drive mode selector, allowing you to switch between Strada, Sport, Corsa, and the new Rally mode. The digital dashboard has been upgraded with a fully customizable 12.3-inch display that enhances the driving experience with real-time performance data and connectivity features. In the rear, the Urus Evo offers a spacious and ultra-luxurious cabin. The seats are just as comfortable as the front, with premium materials and additional legroom for rear passengers. It also features dual rear touchscreens, ambient lighting, and premium sound from the Bang & Olufsen 3D audio system. Whether you're driving or sitting in the back, this SUV is designed for the ultimate luxury experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Urus Evo is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This beast pumps out an incredible 675 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. With an upgraded lightweight chassis and improved aerodynamics, the Urus Evo can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. Moving to the rear, the Urus Evo gets an aggressive diffuser, a sportier rear bumper, and a redesigned Y-shaped LED taillight design, inspired by Lamborghini's latest supercars. The quad exhaust system not only looks incredible but also delivers an exhilarating exhaust note. With a wider stance and more aerodynamic elements, the new Urus Evo is both stunning and performance-driven. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Evo starts at around $250,000, and with added performance and customization options, the price can go well beyond $300,000. While it's not cheap, it delivers an unmatched combination of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2025 Lamborghini Urus Evo. What do you think of this high-performance SUV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast. This is MotoVision, signing off.